Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions, one epic showdown at a time. Today, we have a battle of the titans, the Intel Core i9-12900K on the left and the Intel Core i7-13700K on the right. It's a clash of epic proportions, so grab your popcorn and let's dive in. All right, folks, let's start with the elephant in the room, the price. The i9-12900K comes in at a whopping $707. That's right, for the price of a small used car, you too can own this beast. On the other side, we have the i7-13700K, a more wallet-friendly option at $394. It's like choosing between a luxury yacht and a speedboat. Both are fast, but one won't require you to sell a kidney. Performance time. The i9-12900K is built for the next generation of gaming, multitasking like a boss with its hybrid architecture. Reviewers rave about its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease, though some note its high power consumption and heat generation. But wait, the i7-13700K isn't backing down. It brings 16 cores and 24 threads to the party, offering a perfect balance between single-threaded and multi-threaded performance. Reviewers say it excels in both gaming and content creation, though it also runs hot and needs a good cooling system. It's faster than my Wi-Fi when the neighbors aren't stealing it. Now let's talk graphics. The i9-12900K comes with integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics. So if you're feeling lazy and don't want to buy a separate graphics card, you're all set. But the i7-13700K says, "Nah bro, you need discrete graphics." It's like showing up to a sword fight with a butter knife. You better be packing some extra heat. Compatibility is key, right? The i9-12900K is compatible with both Intel 600 and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. It's like that friend who gets along with everyone. The i7-13700K is also compatible with the same motherboards, but might need a BIOS update. So it's like that friend who needs a little nudge to get out of bed in the morning. Not a deal breaker, but definitely an extra step. Cache me if you can. Both processors boast a 30 megabytes L3 cache. But the i7-13700K flexes with a max memory bandwidth of 89.6 gigabytes per second. That's faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. The i9-12900K, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency with its 10 nanometers and Intel 7 architecture. It's like choosing between a racehorse and a marathon runner, both impressive, but for different reasons. And now, the extras. The i9-12900K is power efficient and ready to go. Meanwhile, the i7-13700K comes with Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, PCIe 5.0, and 4.0 support, and Intel Optane Memory support. But, spoiler alert, no thermal solution included. It's like buying a Ferrari and finding out you have to pay extra for the steering wheel. Come on, Intel, really? Summarizing the reviews, the Intel Core i9-12900K is praised for its impressive performance and ability to handle demanding tasks, though it consumes more power and generates more heat. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-13700K is lauded for its balanced performance in gaming and content creation, but it also runs hot and requires a good cooling system. Both processors have their strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. So there you have it, folks. The i9-12900K and the i7-13700K have gone head-to-head, and it's clear that both have their strengths and quirks. Whether you're looking to splurge or save, game, or multitask, there's a processor for you. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an epic showdown. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which one are you picking? Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.